we're going to be talking about grade C GCSE sequences. So we're going to look at term to term, we're going to look at the nth term rule, and we're going to find any term of a sequence. At grade E, which is quite straightforward, the sequences are term to term rules. So this is finding something like a sequence of 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, and then finding out a word description for that. And maybe you have to write this down. So the word description for this sequence is that it goes up in threes each time, and it starts at 4. It's really important to remember to say the starting bit. Okay, so we're going to look at the nth term now, and we're going to need 2 bits. Term 0, the first bit, and what you add, which is the second bit. Our new sequence is going to be 10, 13, 16, 19. Now if we look at our sequence, we can see that it goes up in threes. So we add 3 each time. Now term 0 is the one that comes before the 10. It's our 7. So if we take 13, 10, go back 3, we get to 7. Let's put it together and find the nth term rule. So we've got our sequence up there, and below it I've actually got the 3 times table, because that's what it's built upon. So our 3 times table is our 3n. That's our add 3 each time. Now what we need is our term 0, so our 3n, and our term 0, add 7. And there we go. So 3 plus 7 is 10, 6 plus 7 is 13, and so on. We now have our nth term rule. So apply it. 3n plus 7. So we've created our nth term rule. We now want to find the 20th term. The 20th term is 3 times 20 plus 7. Don't forget your BIDMAS, multiply first, then add. We get 67. And that's as easy as it is. In summary, we need to remember 2 things. We need the 2 things, term 0 and the rule. Now I haven't shown you any negatives in this one, but you need to be careful of negatives. They do come up. Now, you can use your formula to find any term. If you can apply it, you can get the C.